What's up, pretty girl squad? It's your girl Shiny Monique, and I'm back here with another video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified that I am bringing you new content. So today we're going to be doing eyebrows, how I do my eyebrows, not how anybody else do their eyebrows. This is the way that I do them. I'm not a professional. I just basically know how to do mines and mines only. I don't want to say mines and mines only, but this is the way that I do my eyebrows. And I'm going to be starting off with ColourPop. Well, ColourPop in dark brown. So here we go. So I basically take the tops off, blah, 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 blah. Take the spoolie, brush my eyebrows up. I don't know if you guys can see. I just brush my eyebrows all the way up. And then I just basically start from the middle. Well, I like to stretch my eyebrow because my eyebrows is really weird. I don't know if you guys can see, but I just go underneath really hard because I'm missing, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm missing like hairs and stuff. So I just go like that, start from the middle on the top, and just go down and make my, go down here and make a point. And just continue to do that. And try to get I try to get as precise as I can. I don't know if you guys see it forming yet, but and basically I just start to shade in my eyebrows at the end part because that's where I can get my shape. I just start shading in. Basically, I'm going to repeat the same steps that I did on the left side to the right side. And I'm just going to go back and do that. And honestly, guys, my eyebrows is definitely not the same, I would say. I wouldn't even say these sisters, to be honest with you. I would say they're more like long distance cousins, because these, my eyebrows is, one looks like this and the other looks like that. Like, I don't understand. So it'd be like really hard for me to do like my eyebrows and everything, but I just been practicing you know, my eyebrows because and now I usually just look at them for about like a couple seconds, couple minutes, make sure that it's to my liking, and I just continue to brush, make sure go through. Like this side, I'm really not feeling it, but it's just gonna have to do. Then next, I use my and then I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in color Toffee. That's what I'm gonna do. You can see LA. Then basically I'm just going to line just around my eyebrows. Same thing for underneath. I'm going to do the same thing for the left side. And then after I do that, I take my concealer brush and I blend it in. Alright, what is this? My e.l.f. concealer brush, and I basically just brush. We'll blend it all together. I like to carry it here. Get it. Excuse me. And I just blend on the left side. Blend it. Blend. And then I'm gonna go back in with the eyebrow pencil and just, I see some spots that I missed, so I'm just gonna go back in little concealer on my eyebrows. And feel free to use whatever eyebrow, like zipping powder and all that other stuff that you like. I'm trying out everything because I'm just trying to see what works for me. And so far I like the pencil because it gives me more a precise look. I also have the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip powder as well. I like using that one too. So basically just blend that out, and somebody's texting me. Blend that out. And then I am going to take my Kat Von D setting powder. I'm just now using this technique for my eyebrows to set them. I want to show you what the Kat Von D looks like. This is the Kat Von D. And I'm just gonna dab here, dab underneath here, dab here, underneath here, and just blend that out. And yeah, this is what they look like. If you have any questions, please feel free to hit my comments. Let me know what you guys think. And that concludes this video. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll be back with another video. So yeah, thanks you guys for watching. Peace.